In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import customer list to Zoho Books. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click, so your customer records are ready to use in your accounting. First, open Zoho Books and sign in so you land on the dashboard. If you manage more than one organization, make sure you're in the correct one before moving on. This helps keep your data clean and ensures you're importing to the right place. Next, look to the left-hand sidebar and click Sales. This is where Zoho Books groups everything related to selling, like invoices, payments, and of course, your customer directory. When Sales opens, choose Customers. That brings you to the full customer list where you'll run the import. At the top of the Customers page, find the three-dot menu. It usually sits along the top line as a More Actions menu. Click it to reveal additional options that aren't shown by default. A small prompt with two choices will appear. Select the option that best fits your needs for this import, then click Continue to proceed. If you're unsure, choose the one that clearly aligns with bringing customer records into your account, and you can adjust details later. From there, choose Import Customers. This opens the import flow dedicated to customer data. You'll be taken to an import screen that guides you through the process. Now, click Next. This advances you into the guided steps where Zoho Books helps you complete the import. You'll be prompted through the remaining screens to finish up. A few quick tips here can make this smoother. Have your spreadsheet ready in a common format like CSV or XLSX. Keep your column headers clear and consistent, and include unique identifiers such as a customer name or email, so duplicate detection works well. If you already have customers in Zoho Books, it's a good idea to quickly review them before importing, so you know whether you're adding brand new records or aligning with what exists. Also, if Zoho offers a sample template on the import screen, downloading it and matching your columns to that structure can save time during field mapping. Once you've moved past Next, simply follow the on-screen prompts to complete the process. Zoho Books will guide you the rest of the way, and you'll see confirmations or any alerts if something needs attention. That's it. You logged in, went to Sales, opened Customers, used the three-dot menu, confirmed your preference, selected Import Customers, and clicked Next to start the guided import. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing in Zoho Books.